Suryadatta National Awards 2010. Dr. Abhay Mutha for excellence in the field of health and medicine. In recognition of his noteworthy contributions and painstaking efforts in tackling of one of the lifestyle ailments of modern times, diabetes, and particularly for his path-breaking research work as a diabetologist of repute and special efforts for the welfare of childhood diabetes. Suryadatta National Awards 2010.
की जब बात आती है बच्चों के बारे में जब सोचते हैं, today's children, we think of that they are the future of our nation, of this world. Each of us take care of these children, but that includes a very, very important aspect, and that is their health. But are you all friends also aware that today in India there is a great rise in juvenile diabetes, childhood diabetes? These are the poor, needy children who need care, who need support, who need regular checkups and counseling. And when a support comes from a foundation who takes care, who takes up childhood diabetes welfare program, where these needy diabetes children are adopted, taken care of, educated, monitored and loved, well, it really touches our hearts for this deed. And this, friends, is a sincere path-breaking work performed by the foundation run by Dr. Abhay Mutha, a consultant diabetologist whose organization has adopted 105 children. And Dr. Mutha every day in his clinic meets these children. He encourages them, he uplifts their lives, he gives them guidance in how to exercise and how to take care. I'll give you a very small, a very, very good example. Ishan was a small boy, 13-year-old boy, a swimmer at a district level, who was a winner. But he could not, being a sports person, he could not even reach the state level because he was a juvenile diabetic, a childhood diabetes. But Dr. Mutha's foundation encouraged this little boy, gave him guidance, gave him treatment, such that the little boy Ishan has now learned to acknowledge that he can overcome his problem, that it's not a big issue, that his lifestyle will not be changed, and that he'll always get love and support from this organization. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like you all to give a round of applause for this foundation which Dr. Abhay Mutha had started with his father. यहाँ पर शायद वो ये फाउंडेशन यही सोचती है कि भाई कुछ रिश्ते ऐसे बनाए जाए जिनके आंसू को अपनी पलकों पे छुपाए जाए, बनाए उनसे हम ऐसा रिश्ता कि अगर वो उदास हो तो हमसे भी ना मुस्कुराया जाए. चलिए, without much more ado, ladies and gentlemen, to read out the citation, I would like to invite Snehal. Please welcome her.
Dr. Abhay Mutha is a diabetologist of repute, having conducted path-breaking research work to tackle this lifestyle ailment of modern times, particularly in the treatment of juvenile diabetes. Founder Director of Diabetes Care and Research Center, Pune's first modern diabetes clinic equipped with advanced care facilities under one roof, Dr. Mutha has been spearheading international research in diabetes at his center, having over 7,200 registered patients and 16 international studies conducted till date. Dr. Mutha is also the chief diabetologist at Pune's reputed multi-special hospital, the Ruby Hall Clinic. To Dr. Abhay Mutha goes the credit of establishing the country's first diabetes care research foundation in 2004, along with his father, Shri Amritlal Mutha, as the chief trustee.
वेद संस्कृति मूल्य हमारे, प्रेम शांति के दीप जला। वेद संस्कृति मूल्य हमारे, प्रेम शांति के दीप जलाए। विश्व विजय की आस लिए हम भारत